Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my old subscribers, you're all welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for all the love of my previous videos. I truly really appreciate that. So in today's video, I am going to list out affordable skincare products for beginners and people who are confused on where to start their skincare journey from. So I'm going to insert pictures of what my skin looked like and how far I've come, and yeah, without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So one of the things you need is a body scrub that you use and exfoliate your skin. So body scrubs, I'm going to show you guys pictures of whatever I am mentioning here. If I don't have them close to me, I'll insert pictures or videos of them. So the first thing is body scrubs. Contains turmeric, honey and kojic acid. This is so nice. I'm going to insert a picture of what it looks like on the screen or a video. So you need a body scrub. Next thing you need after your scrub is exfoliating gloves. Okay, you can either use the African sponge. I'm going to link everything somewhere here or here. You can use the African sponge or an exfoliating glove to scrub your skin, to help to exfoliate your skin daily, because you don't have to scrub your skin every single day. Now the next thing you're also going to need is a toner. Now this particular toner right here is very affordable, the simple toner. You can get this for about 4,000 or 4,500 or even 5,000 naira in any supermarket. You need a toner. I'll be posting a video on my skincare routine, on my morning and night skincare routine later on after this video, but I'm just going to list everything for you guys here. So another thing you also need is a black soap. You can get like Dudu Oshun black soap if you need a black soap, but you don't want to go like use all these organic products that are everywhere online. You can use Dudu Oshun black soap. There are two types of Dudu Oshun black soap. We have the fragrance-free Dudu Oshun black soap, which is mainly for people that have sensitive skin, and then we have the original, the main Dudu Oshun black soap. So two of them are very nice, and they cost about 350 naira or 400 naira depending on where you buy it. Now the next soap you can also use is the Kojic Sand soap. The video is right here on the screen. You can use your Kojic Sand soap if you have dark spots. I don't use this soap all the time, honestly. I just use this soap anytime I break out and I end up scratching it and it leaves me with dark spots. For example, I have new dark spots somewhere on my face, so currently I am using it and I'm going to keep using it every night until I get rid of my dark spots, and then I just pause and I won't use it again until I have to. So it's not something you have to use every single day. Another soap you can use is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar soap. It is so nice and it smells amazing. It's so nice and it smells so good. So this is something you can use daily. It is very nice. The next thing is a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer, and the most affordable moisturizer I can recommend is still Simple moisturizer. I love Simple products. I have Simple face wash. Simple moisturizers cost 4,000 naira, and you can get this in any supermarket around you. These face creams, I recommend the Dr. Rachel's face cream. It is very affordable. It is 4,000 or 4,500 naira, and that's what I got, the last one that I got. The next thing you can also get is the Dr. Rachel's Vitamin C face cleanser. It costs 2,500 or 3,000 naira, and this is very looks like. I'm going to insert a video somewhere on the screen. Most out of it, and I still have a way of using this. I don't use this every single day. Now the next thing is a sunscreen, and the sunscreen that I use is Skin Doctor sunscreen or Gavia sunscreen. Now Skin Doctor sunscreen costs about 3,000 naira right now. I can remember buying this for 2,000 and I bought it for 2,500, but now it's around 3,000 naira. You may even get it for 3,500 if you go to a supermarket, but Gavia is between 2,500 to 3,000 naira as well. So these two sunscreens are two sunscreens that I know that are black girl friendly. They don't leave white cast on the skin. Dicey leaves white cast on the skin. Actually, I don't know about other people, but I've used it and it didn't work well for me. But it's actually more affordable. It costs about 1,900 or 2,000 naira. But Skin Doctor and Gavia are super nice. Now another thing I can recommend is vitamin C oil from Dicey. If you know this is what it looks like. Dicey Vitamin C Oil is very nice. I love using oils on my skin. I barely use lotions. I honestly don't use lotions all the time. I can go months without using lotion. I don't use lotion on my face. Actually, you're supposed to use a body lotion on your face, but most times I don't just use lotions. I use oils instead. And you don't have to be like me. Actually, you don't have to be like me. So vitamin C oils are very, very nice, and the one from Dicey cost about 1,000 to 1,500 naira. Another oil I use is grapeseed oil and apricot kernel seed oil. I buy mine from a vendor in Ibadan from Instagram. This is what I use. These are the three oils that I use most of the time: apricot kernel seed oil, vitamin C oil, and grapeseed oils, and also tea tree oil when I have acne, peppermint oil when I have acne. So I have oil combinations that I use whenever I start breaking out, and the ones that I normally use on my skin just to like keep my skin glowing and moisturized. The last thing I'm going to mention here is aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel I have is also from Dicey, and this is what it looks like. I just use my aloe vera gel when my face is still damp. I don't wait till my face gets completely dry before I use my aloe vera gel. And this is actually very nice for sunburn. If you start using lightening products and you go out and get sunburn, this is the best thing you can use before it leaves a scar on your skin. So this is it for this particular part of the video. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys at my next one. Bye.